I will put these two sites in the comment section. So the first is for Hyundai Santa Fe service manual, bolt specifications and repair procedures. The other is for Sonata 2014, 2019. But bear in mind, Hyundais are about the same. The specs are going to be similar throughout the years for a given model. Now here for the Santa Fe, I want to give you a quick example. We have service manual 1923, also 1318. Here you find the bolt specs. You can just choose your system, engine and so on. I'm going to go for the suspension, front suspension system, but first you have specifications. So for each this category you have specs, and you have the bolt torques at some place. There you have it. Front suspension, aware Newton meter, feet pound, feet pound, yeah, pound feet. So just make sure you get the correct imperial or metric system. And when you go to repair, you have pictures, pictograms, diagrams, and underneath each system or item you have the torques for the bolts which are related to the system. So if you look here as the strut, you will get some torques for the strut. And let's see, perhaps you get a control arm. Someplace you get also, be just careful. So it says bolt A, it points to the bolt. It's not always very clear, but just pay attention. You are going to get, again, be aware of the metric or imperial. Let's go to Sonata. This page, you just scroll down at the very bottom and you get 2019 1419 service manual, general information. Let's just look here, see what's happening. Not much, but we get again suspension perhaps for you. Just highlight this. Specifications, the first line, again, couple of torques. Again, be aware of the metric system. And then if you want front suspension, maybe what they have in here, lower arm, the same as the Santa Fe. Again, you get the torques here. Just carefully look which letter it's pointing to. So it says here lower arm A, bolt A, and it's going to give you some place. Yeah, sometimes it says bolt A, bolt B. Yeah, we should perhaps take to a different example, but that's how you get the I don't know, let's try this one perhaps. Bolt torques. Yeah, but sometimes just make sure you get the correct bolt letter here. It may be bolt A this, bolt B this. So just pay attention to you don't make mistakes. Look in the comment sections. This is the whole things I have. Maybe there are other sites for maybe Elantra or other things, other cars from them, but you get a good idea with these two sites. Look in the comment section. Thanks for watching.